Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram followers decreasing. To know how to fix Instagram followers decreasing, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click here. After that, in this page you will go to apps like this, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram, as you see. And then here in this page you will go to full stop. When you will end this, you will go to storage and you will click. After that, in this page you will go to click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi, as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.